vista bene dal treno.
This challenge is the ultimate battle of machine versus mud. The tractors must try and fight their way through this boggy pit. So everything depends on the skill of the drivers and the power of the vehicles. This tractor festival is in Papradno, Slovakia, and hundreds of people come to see this. The rule is simple. The faster you drive it, the better chances of winning. The tractors are displayed first for everyone to see. And since this only happens once a year, the participants really take time and effort in designing and modifying their tractors. It's easy to get stuck in that mud. And when it happens, and there's no chance of getting out anymore, another tractor from the other end has to help pull it out. Kids and women can also join this event, giving everyone a fair shot of winning. Whether you just want to have fun in the mud with your kids, or actually win a trophy, this event is definitely the perfect one for you.